Hey guys, Andy with Precision here, and today we have the Benelli M4 again. I just got some more parts. One of them is this GG&G Mission Essential Tactical Weapon Accessories, specifically their Benelli M4 charging handle. This is a non-spinning, it's a fixed design. Not really a whole lot to say about it. It's super easy install. I'm going to show you guys how to do that here real quick. What we're specifically going to be doing is replacing this charging handle. So there's nothing really wrong with this. It's just not the most comfortable or convenient. It's, you know, especially if you're racking it quite a bit, which yes, it's an auto shotgun, but when you're sitting here doing dry fire training and just cycling it, just isn't the most comfortable thing. So this really wasn't that bad. I'll say they're like 40 bucks, something like that. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this opened up and we'll get it installed. Stick around. All right guys, so in order to do this, I'm just going to take it out of the package here. Again, super easy. This charging handle, these are actually made to be part of the disassembly process on the Benelli M4s. So again, super easy. First thing, yes, it's clean here, no ammo in it. All we're going to do is grab a hold of the stock one, kind of twist it and pull out at the same time. Now, as you guys can see, hopefully, if it wants to focus, there's actually 3 sides to the little indents on the end here. So as you twist this, it kind of pushes the retaining pin kind of out of the way. It makes it a little bit easier to pull out. So I'm kind of interested to see this one. However, the GG&G does not. It is literally just, I'm assuming they do everything on a lathe on this, which makes perfect sense. Not really anything too special about it. It's just hollow. It is a little bit heavier, not by much in all honesty. It's obviously hollow inside, but and obviously a lot bigger diameter, but it really doesn't feel any different as far as weight. So believe it or not, installing it, again, super easy. There you go. That's it. Literally just push it in. I kind of twisted it a little bit, but that's it. Oh yeah, that is much, much better. It does spin. I guess the whole shaft spins in this one. I have seen others where the shaft itself is fixed and then the actual knurled knob out here actually rotates on a little bearing. In all honesty, I don't see a major need for it. They also have some, I believe GG&G also has a couple that might have like slots cut into the side here. I'm assuming for lightning, but again, it's not a big deal. But I will say, putting this thing up, oh yeah, that is so much more comfortable. It does stick out a little bit further if we compare the lengths. So not a lot, but obviously when you are comparing firearms accessories, a little bit goes a long way. So it's probably 50% longer if I had to guess. Overall, maybe not quite so much, maybe 25 to 50%. So again, not a huge cost, not a huge difference. It doesn't look like, but God, I gotta tell you, that feels so much better. So anyway, as always, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to let me know down below, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.